welcome back, guys. My name is Barney XBT. Today we're going to be doing just a crypto overview. I'm just going to go over a few coins that I've been looking at and posting my trades in the Telegram. And I just want to give a quick, brief video going over those trade ideas and how they've been playing out. So the coins are going to be covering are going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Link, Aptos. I might throw Solana in there if we have time. Okay. So first off, we're looking at Link. This is currently the daily chart. So I know we have Monday's range that I mapped out for everybody on the stream on the weekly open. 722, and the low was around 685, 686. So yeah, we were just kind of playing in between that for a bit. Then we had this sell-off, right? Sell-off. Now we've tested these lows. This was my area of interest around 660. I had posted this, and now it looks like we're making another attempt to get back into the range. So like I said in the Telegram, what I'm looking for as a trigger to go long, I did not catch bids down here, so I might as well just delete that so it's not confusing. But that was, if I had, it would have been nice. But what I'm looking for is a nice close above 685, 686, back into Monday's range, and a nice retest. If we can get something like that, that would be my trigger to go long and target the highs again, right? So there's no market structure break. Price is still bullish unless we take out these liquidity lows down here around 630. So close below there, if we were to reject here and make our way back down, and take out those lows, that would be, that would start to negate the bullish thesis, and I'd start looking for shorts. But as of right now, I'm still bullish. I think, Link has a lot of potential. I think it's been lagging against the rest of the market. And yeah, we will see. So that's my current thesis for Link. I want to get Monday's range. We're going to target those highs around 720. Okay. Next, I'm going to do Bitcoin. Let's see what chart we'll look at. Yeah, so Bitcoin's a little cleaner. We haven't lost Monday's range at all. So we're currently looking at it on the 4-hour. Monday's range is 22.4 to 23.2. And we had two nice wicks. It looks almost kind of like equal lows here. Definitely right here, these two. So that's a good thing when you see that. That means there's a lot of liquidity under these points. But right now, I have this resistance level. Let me just zoom out real quick for you guys. The high printed here, and the second week of September of that wick is 22.8. So that's why I still have that level there. I think it's very important of how we're playing it right now. We're literally, we had that close below it. This was like, so technically this was an SNR flip. It seems like we were first trying it as resistance, this 22.8 level. Finally got above it. Seemed like we were treating it as support here, here, and here, and then we just had that close below. Okay, and now it seems we're back up again. Let's try it again. Is it gonna break above? Odds are, I don't think so. I'm not sure. You know what I mean? That's why I'm very hesitant to take any giga long trades right now. I feel like the market's moved up a lot and has some explaining to do. It's just better to wait and play it out. So this 22.8, get above, nice close above it. Then I'm like, okay, that's bullish. Let's, see if we can catch a long targeting these highs, take profit. Maybe breaks out and we start treating it as support. Nice flip at the top of the range, Monday's high. And then we can talk about ascending higher and aiming for that 24.2K level that I've been talking about. That is the top of our bear market range that we've kind of been in since we had this nice leg down from 45K. The range for that, again, is, 18.6 to 24.2.5, whatever. I'm just going from the bottom of this wick here in June to the top of this wick in July. And you can see how the mid-range especially has been respected, that 21.4, where we had that close above. So everything looks good. Really, bullish scenario is long-term, macro, is we get up to this 24.2, take out the liquidity of these highs, and don't reject. Like, it's okay for a pullback, but we want to flip the top of this range and then maybe make our way back up to 30K. That would be, you know, the most bullish thing to happen for Bitcoin, in my opinion. Okay, so we've done Bitcoin, did Link. Let's see, we got Aptos here. So I know I posted in the Telegram, I think it was 2 days ago, that I've been looking for $12 as an area of interest. I'm going to go back to lower time frames for you to see that. We had marked out Monday's range of 1260 to 1450, which is about a 15% spread. So I was saying, you know, be very careful, trade with caution. You don't want to over leverage because this coin is highly volatile, especially since it is in price discovery, which means, you know, we're experiencing new all-time highs. You know, $16 is a new all-time high right now. So very bullish coin, you know, when don't fight against the trend. It just keeps wanting to make new highs, and, you know, it makes no sense to try and call the top. Okay? But I've been looking about $12 around this area. I did catch along around 1260, averaged down a little bit. So I'm like right here. I did take profit at the 1440, and I'm holding a small bag for this price discovery we're seeing right now. So the 4 hour just closed 1 minute ago while we've been streaming. And yeah, we'll see. Let's check it on low time frame, and let's, maybe not the 15, let's do the 30, and let's add the asteroids belt in on there. Let's see where we're at. Okay, so we did get a sell signal here, and it hasn't really pulled back yet, but we are way above the reversion lines for the 30-minute. Let's check the hourly. Yeah, we're way above it as well. Another sell signal. So again, makes no sense to short, but it definitely makes sense to take profit when you see that, you know. So that's for Aptos. For those who got in, congratulations. You know, hopefully I was able to help you out with that. And for those who are looking to get in, let's look for a flip of this range, because we kind of just gapped it, right? Very strong close above. If we did get a pullback, maybe these next couple 4 hour candles keep, you know, closing here, then this one closes here, etc. We make our way down to this 1450 area. That's where I'd be looking for a long, and then we'll establish the next range to play. Whoops. Okay, so that's Aptos. I'm going to turn off the asteroids belt real quick so it's not confusing. And we'll check out Ethereum to end this video. So we're currently looking at the hourly right now. Same kind of thing here. Like, went and took out these lows a couple times. Making our way back up, took out the high. Looks like this is actually the beginning of this hourly. So it looks like Ethereum's just pumped 1% in 3 minutes. Bitcoin's kind of doing the same as we're streaming. Yeah, there we go. Let me see if I can delete some of these. Okay, cool. So as I said, breaking back above this 22.8K level and holding as support is our bullish scenario. You know, we don't want to be treating this as resistance at all. Like, anything below here right now should be a buying, you know, a dip opportunity to go to buy. Again, we're checking for that 23.2K level. You could go long here, and I would just place my stop below 22.6. It's only about 1%. So pretty good odds. Even if you market long right now, maybe get something right here. We put our stop here, but we're targeting, you know, 23.2, or even if you think it's going to get above that, our 24.2 level. No confirmation of that, of course. That would be pure hopium of me saying that this is the move that does that. But it looks pretty strong for only only a few minutes. It's not even a 5-minute candle. And we are currently up nearly 1%, which is pretty big for Bitcoin. You know, it takes It's not a shitty altcoin that moves 1% in 4 minutes very often. You know what I mean? So, and we're breaking back above that level I was talking about. And to add to it, we're also above the mid-range of Monday's range, which is $22,830. So close above this level. You know, it's still another 55 minutes to go for this hourly, but looks good. And let's see if we get a nice daily close. Yeah, looks amazing right now. Delete some of these ugly things we made. So yeah, looks amazing. It sure, you know, with this kind of momentum, sure does look like we could head for that 23.2 and flip it. We will see. Did I explain Ethereum? Okay, it's still pumping. Now it's at 1580. So everything looks good. Yeah. Still bullish as long as we don't close below a 4-hour close, or for this is the 30-minute, but let's just say the 4-hour. I don't want a 4-hour close below this low here we printed, 1492. Right, so a couple wicks into this level, right around 1520, coming back up. This low we printed on Monday. That was Monday's low. So we're trying to break back into Monday's range for Ethereum. Yeah, right? Yeah, right here. That was Monday's low, 1580. We're currently right at it. We had that market structure break, you know, strong close below Monday's range. Now we're just coming back up to retest. And technically, this is a bearish retest. Unless we get a close above, hold, then we can think about going long. Maybe a stop loss below like 1560. And we'd be targeting the mid-range and hopefully the top of the range, taking profit at both levels. So it'd be look something like this. Okay. Well, we'll move that a little closer. Yeah. But I don't really want to do that just yet because we have no confirmation or close above the level. It could just as easily reject from here and go back down and stop you out pretty instantly. Especially since it just made this entire move in 7 minutes from 1560, which would be your stop loss, like right below there, to 1581. So that's our crypto review for today. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the Telegram. Link for that is in the description of this video if you are not in it. Like and subscribe if you guys found this video to be helpful. And I'll see you guys next time.